All right, last obstacle of the day. Whew, my brain's been working hard. I don't know about yours. All right, what I need you to do, my friends, get those 10 cubes again. That 10 stick. Yeah, we're going to play this game one more time. Whoop, whoop. All right, I love this game. So you need your 10 stick, your dry erase marker. Now, I need you to break off your cubes again, but this time a different way. So you're going to be showing me another subtraction number sentence. On Seesaw, I want you to make a video. I need you to show me your two parts. I need you to show me your number sentence. Talk me through it. Where did those numbers come from in your number sentence? Great job today.